Hi guys, Luke from Lucas Cars, and today we've got a video sponsored by ThinkCar. They've sent me out this OBD reader that they want me to basically try out and give my sort of honest opinion on and show you guys to see if it's something that's worth spending your hard-earned cash on. So the device we have got is a Mucar OBD 2 tester. So it's got a 4-inch display screen. It's got like your basic buttons for navigating around the screen once it is turned on. I'm going to jump into a bit of a closer shot so I can show you the screen, just so we can go through a couple of like the functions and what the display has compared to what maybe some other testers that you're familiar with in the past. So let's get a close up on the screen. So we're having a look at the screen now a bit closer up. This is obviously the main interface. Once you turn on the device, this is what you'll get. So you get your car brand at the top, so it says Ford, we're in the Mondeo, and then you've got like a list of items here which we can click on here, and it shows you what is like compatible with your car and which isn't. Unfortunately, the Mondeo's only got 3. I've also tried it on a select other cars, so I've tried it on a Scirocco, a Golf R 350, and they're all kind of the same, not really giving me too many options of what I can read. So I'd have a look before you do purchase one of these, what is compatible with your vehicle and what isn't, because for mine there isn't too much that it's basically going to let me look through. But nonetheless, if you want to read codes that your car's got an issue with, my car hasn't got an issue luckily, and none of my other friends' cars have got current issues, so I can't actually show you reading codes as such. But if you were going to, you'd be clicking here and read codes, and then it will basically select whatever brand you've got. You've got a selection, a big selection of whatever. Go on Ford, and then it'll just read it, and then it says no fault. If you've got a fault, good English by me, it'll tell you what the fault code is, and then you can also erase it here, and as well as you can go on the internet. So in settings, you can connect it up to like your Wi-Fi or your hotspot of your phone if you're out and about, which you've connected to via that. And then you go on to browse, which I think I might have scrolled past, I can't remember. Oh no, it was down there, my bad. Go on browser, and it takes you to the internet, which we've conveniently got up their website showing you the device. But on this, you can literally, it's like treat it as a phone in itself. So once you've got internet on this, apart from actually ringing someone, but you can search the web, so you can watch YouTube videos and someone fixing like an O2 sensor issue, or where to buy the part. You could actually purchase the part on here, so that's another big thing that this can do that potentially your other ones can't do. And then we just then get back to our home screen. I believe that's undo. I don't use Android stuff too much, so me navigating back to wherever I should be is a little bit tricky. Maybe it's the back button, I don't know. Yeah, it's just swipe across. I'm not too familiar with the whole Android layout style of thing, but this is basically Android like underneath, I guess. There's upgrade options for other things, for like, I don't need that one, but there's other ones on here. And then you've got like the ones I've already upgraded to, so all the selected vehicles and whatnot. Obviously there'll be vehicles that'll have better ones than what the Mondeo's currently got. Give feedback on sort of issues and stuff you found. You got like the serial number of this device. Repair info, I believe, is another way of also putting in your code number, and it'll show you how to repair stuff. It's just other general things in settings which I don't really want to necessarily bore you with at the moment. Live data is the other bit that is semi-interesting that you can see. Click on that one, loads up, and then you've got like all these sort of digital gauges and stuff of everything, or quite a lot of stuff, which this has worked on every car that I've tried. So this is like, no matter what car you've got, this one seems to me that this is generic, it will work. So if I tap the accelerator, you'll see that moves, so forth. You've got like coolant temps and everything like that, all the sort of levels and stuff that you might want to check, I guess. And then I believe you can click on these as well, and it gives you a graph of it as it journeys on through the amount of time that it's been on. But yeah, it's just quite interesting, all this sort of stuff. And then there's another little section there as well, which gives you it just in a bit of a different way, but it's all there, like battery voltage and whatnot. Just sort of interesting things, and you can watch it as it goes across, which is, I think is over a certain time frame, which I can't remember, but there you go, it's going now. And then you can just watch how it changes. So if I then rev the engine, which you'll see, it will go up. Look, wow, yeah. I don't know what you'd use that for, but it's there. Do you know what I mean? I thought that was quite cool. I've impressed myself there. I'm still learning this. I've tried using it a little bit throughout the week and stuff, but without having an issue or anything to really go through. I've kind of just been playing with the interface, but the more I play with it, the more like little cool things I find, such as that itself. There's also like an upgrade system, which I think is like $40, but I don't know what that is in pounds. It does like engine management, airbags, traction control stuff, I believe. It's all on their website. I'm not going to go into too much detail on this just because I can't comment on it, because I've not been able to use that myself on the cars that I've got. None of it works. So it's another one of checking what like your vehicle's basically compatible with. But besides that, that's kind of it. O2 sensor is another one as well, which we can click on it, but it's not supported again. So you got to kind of check what your car's supported with. If you have a vehicle which this covers everything, I can imagine it's going to be probably pretty good, because I mean O2 sensor check and all the engine stuff and transmission, airbags and everything, it's quite an impressive bit of kit. But it's like the bare bone thing with if your car's not really too compatible with it, still will read your code, still clears them, you can still search the web on here, still find out how to sort the issues out, which is mainly what you'd buy an OBD reader for. So yeah, not really too much else to comment on that. We'll go back to me doing a little bit of a chat where we're not staring at a screen, and then that'll be that. Yep, so that's it. That's the new car OBD tester. If you do want to buy one of these, they're about £55. I believe their store's on eBay, or you can go onto the website. Don't know where the website ships from though. I got this one sent from the account that they sell their eBay ones off, so it took like 3 days to get to me. I'm in the UK. If you want to buy internationally, there's probably places on the interwebs where they'll send it to you from wherever that is, if that's explained properly, I don't know. But yeah, for the price it is, as the bare package, I would say it's pretty good. I will be attempting to use it on the drift days and stuff. If I have any issues with the car, I'll be plugging it in, seeing what it can check and stuff, because it does read a couple of bits on the 350, and obviously if you get any issues with that, you can be reading it on here, same as if I have any issues with the other cars. About the additional package, to myself, not really something I need, because it doesn't read for any of my cars, but could be quite a good one if it does work on your vehicle. But yeah, there's not too much else I can say on that without rambling too much. If you want to see any other videos on me demonstrating how to do certain things on it, I can go more in depth in the future, or I can answer any questions that you might have in the comments if you decide to comment. But yeah, that's it for this one today. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully it's been informational. And if there's anything that I didn't cover in the video, just go onto their website and there's loads of stuff on there, and they're happy to help you if you contact them. So thanks for watching.